Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to open up the piano roll in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already, and after opening it up, but before that, if you do not have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you can find all the instruments we can play, like our keyboard, drums, audio recorder, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to open up the piano roll that we need for making our music, getting our notes, and similarly. So here is our keyboard option. So you want to scroll down left until you find your keyboard, and here is our keyboard that we can now tap on and get started opening up. So as you can see, here is our keyboard, and now we can get started playing it, as you can see, by clicking on the notes right there, and you can get started recording by clicking the big red circle at the top of the screen. So now we're going to go ahead and record a couple of notes, and then we're going to see how to open up the piano roll. So as you can see, now we have recorded a couple of notes, and guys, to be able to find your notes and open up your piano roll, all you have to do is just go right here into the upper left corner. In the upper left corner, click the button in the middle that's going to open up the edit mode. As you can see, now here we can find our grand piano that we have played. So you want to click on it, and this is going to enable us to edit it. So as you can see, once you click the edit option, here we'll be able to see all of the notes that we have played, as you can see, and now we can go and see our piano roll to get our notes ready for another track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.